So, hello friends, I'm BBPraveen. Today we are gonna learn Photoshop, and this is second episode. Before watching this video, make sure to watch the first episode, and in this second episode we are gonna learn Elliptical Marquee Tool. An elliptical marquee tool can make a selection of a circle or oval. Okay, let's see how to use this. If I want this shape, this shape is perfect. Now I'm going to the move tool and I can take off this area, this size, and all is great. And now again we have to go to home page and click on create new and click on default Photoshop size. If you want another size of your shape, your size, you can go to custom and make your size and color. And I need the default size of Photoshop, so I'm clicking on create. Now there's a blank page. Now I have selected this area. Now I'm gonna click on Ctrl C and Ctrl V. This size is perfect, and if you want to make this bigger, you can click on Ctrl T, which I have told in the first episode. Let's Ctrl T to transform. Can make this bigger, smaller. This size is enough for me. So we can click on Enter key and we can go to the paint bucket tool and we can paint our own color, and this looks nice, this color is nice. If you want red colored color, nice, but this is too bright, so let's make this more lighter. Think it's nice, or any color you want, like this, or if you want green, anything you want. And this is how you can make elliptical marquee tool. This is how you can do with elliptical marquee tool. And now I can delete this area because I have kept this over here. And another way to make this is to take over these areas in shape of oval. Then we can also use this to make this. Take that area, and again you're here, and we can take some areas select the areas and just take this like this and delete. Then you get the feel like you are seeing this picture is bending. So this is nice. Let's give more effect. This. So again I have selected and again I'm gonna cut this area. And this is nice. And here there's a black area, and let's remove this by this rectangular marquee tool, which I have said in the first episode how to use that. Can remove this like this, but before deleting you have to take and keep this anywhere, or else if you delete in the same place, only that inside covering will delete. You cannot delete this selected. If you cannot move that or delete that after that, it will say an error that could not move the selection because the selected area is empty. So to prevent that, we have to move this and then delete this. So there is another small area over here, you can see it. So let's cut off that area with the help of rectangular marquee tool. We do this. Those are selected. We want only this area. This area, it is saying a warning. So to prevent that, I have another tool, but I'll not say the tool in this episode, say in the next episode. So now we can do this, select the area, and we can take off the area. This, delete that, and now this effect is ready. The effect is kind of like it's bending. So I think let me give more effects in this with the help of Elliptical Marquee Tool. And just cut off this area. And in the down portion also, same. Oh, this is so big, so we have to click on Ctrl Z to undo, and if we want to redo, we have to click on Shift Ctrl Z. And now let's go over this area, select this area, and move this and delete this. Simple. Now what we are gonna do is I'm gonna select this and then click on Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. And this effect looks amazing. This effect is like the picture is bending. It's like this. So as I said, you have to click on Ctrl T to transform. Bigger, smaller. This size is enough for me. So I'm gonna click on the Enter key on my keyboard, and now, as I said, we have to click on Paint Bucket Tool, and think I need color. No, color. Oh, this color is nice. You can click on OK and just fill. So that's all we can do with Elliptical Marquee Tool. We can do this effect, or we can do more things like this. We can do more amazing things. Okay, that's all for now. Okay friends, bye. I hope you might be enjoying this video. Let's meet in the next video. Signing off by BBPraveen.